Introducing Broadmere Rise in Coventry, your next dream destination. A 5-bedroom haven spanning 1,500 square feet of pure luxury. Situated in Coventry's coveted Western District, Cedar Gardens, Broadmere Rise is not just a place to live, it's a statement of grandeur. Experience a home that exudes sophistication. Each 5-bedroom detached family home is a masterpiece, meticulously crafted to offer unparalleled luxury and comfort. Key features include a state-of-the-art kitchen equipped with Bosch appliances, luxurious ensuite facilities, spacious double-width driveways, beautifully manicured lawns, and a picturesque patio. Proximity to renowned schools and major motorways, perfect for working families. So are you ready to make Cedar Gardens your new Coventry address? Contact us now to book a viewing.